everybody, it's Dea from My Ugly Girls here, and today I'm going to be reacting to the new ATEEZ song, Fireworks, or I'm the One. It's part of their second Fever installment, so it's their Fever Part 2 album. I'm super excited. I've been dying to listen to this, but I wanted to react to it for you guys. I've seen I've seen the trailers and like so many pictures and little clips, and I'm just like, oh my god, I know I'm gonna die during this music video, because like they just look so good, and I'm just and I already I can't wait to get the albums themselves, because I bought all 3 versions. And as soon as they get to me, I'll do a little unboxing for you guys, and let's get right on into it. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. ATEEZ. Ooh. 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 Yoosung. Oh, he looks so good. See, he's been all over the teaser pictures and clips with that midriff showing, and I just Hello? What is Bulgaria? I don't know. Oh, I miss Mingy so much. Oh. Excuse me, sir! You have no right to make me feel this way. You have no right to be killing me like this, sir! King Yoosung. Dude, this song goes hard. He set fire to the tree. Sun, pink, sir. I'm dying. This is so good. Oh my god, sir, Yoosung King, like... Oh? It's the masked man! Oh my god. that little clip that they put at the end, that song, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's another song on the album or if it's gonna be in the next album, but also the masked man keeps popping up and I need to know who he is. I need to know. Like, what is his role? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this was so good. I loved it so much. Like, I loved it so much, guys. I want you guys to leave me in the comments, like, let me know what your favorite part of this MV was. Were you prepared for how they attacked us with this? Because I wasn't. I for sure was not. And also, if you liked the reaction, please drop a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications to get notified on our future content as soon as it drops. Anyways, this has been Dea from my Oakland Girls. Bye.